Hello, hi, dua, salam, namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Badass Motors. And today's video is going to be very important for most of the bike users, those who are using open chain bike. What I mean about open chain bike is this: such type of bikes which have the chain is always open, which is always open to dust, water, and everything. And if you are using your bike, if you are daily using your bike for a long run, then definitely the issues which you face is the chain noise basically. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can maintain the good chain life by using some of the basic techniques, and especially if you are using a tram speed 400, then this video is going to help you out. So you can, if you like this video, just comment down, like, share and subscribe, and share this video with your friends so that they can also maintain their bike. So point number one, if you are using a tram speed 400, as you know, this bike does not come with the center stand. It has only a side stand. So for cleaning the chain, it's always recommended to use such type of paddock stand, which you can get it from Amazon. I purchased it for around 2,700 rupees. I will give you the link of this paddock stand in the description. Point number two, just make sure you are cleaning your chain after every 1,000 kilometers. If you can see over here, you can see the dust, and my chain has become really oily and dusty. So today we'll clean it and look at the condition of the chain. So cleaning the chain is very important. If you can get kerosene, is well and good. Here I'm not able to get kerosene, so I'm using petrol. I'm using this petrol and Motul chain lube. After cleaning chain, I will just spray this lube. Last but not least, this is the important one. I got this chain cleaner from Amazon. It's old. It's an 1 year old cleaner. So let's start with the process. So I'm going to start with the process. First, you have to start your bike, and you have to keep your bike in neutral. Okay, and be very careful. Your fingers should not go between the chain socket, otherwise you can lose your fingers. It's very crucial and important, so I'm not supporting anyone to do this, but if you are doing it, then take proper precautions and measures, safety measures. So we'll start with the process. So my side stand, my side stand is up. Now we'll put my bike in the first gear and start with the process. So now the chain is rotating, and I have put a hole over here. As you can see, petrol should come out. So we'll spray the petrol first on the chain. So I sprayed the petrol. Now we'll start with the chain cleaning. So we'll hold this brush like this. So now look at the chain. See, already before the video it was dusty. Now just look at it. We'll clean this with a cloth. First we'll wipe it, we'll clean it properly. After that we'll spray the chain lube. Okay, just look at the condition of the chain now. It is fully clean, and there is second option as well, like you can spray 10W40 for 30-40 minutes, or after that you can go for a pressure wash, and you can tell the pressure wash guys to put you can pressure wash the chain and all the dust will come out. So now look at the chain, it's very clean. Now we'll spray. Now the step number 2 is spray. So I'm using this Motul MC Care. I got it from Amazon. The price is 265 rupees. So tip is, you have to clean your chain after 1,000 kilometers, and you should lube your chain every 500 kilometers. So this Motul spray can last for 450 to 500 kilometers easily. So that is the reason I'm recommending you. So we'll do the spray. Now we'll spray this chain lube on the chain. So I hope now look at the chain condition. And the best thing about the chain lube is it's not that much sticky. Okay, it's not that much sticky as compared to other chain lubes. So now yes, my bike is ready for more 500 kilometers. It can go easily. And during rainy season, yeah, the tenure of the chain lube decreases to 300 kilometers, because during rains there is lot of mud, water, so the chain spray cannot sustain that much into the chain. But yes, during summers the chain spray can last up to 500 kilometers. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more content, you can comment down and you can give your suggestion that what should be the next video on which I should make a video on. So thank you for watching this video.